Want this watermark in CapCut?
I'm not infected. I am you. You're fucking...
Open a new project and add your audio of the edit you want the watermark on. Now generate your beats.
Find and I'm gonna kill every last
one. Crop it to where you want the watermark. Now write your text, choose your font, and use these animations. Now export your watermark and open Node Video. Add your watermark. Now add the glow effect and copy my settings. Now export it. Now open your edit you want the watermark on and add beats to the audio. Now add the watermark. Now copy my steps. Copy the watermark and slide it under. Now go to splice on the first one and choose slide. Now just follow my steps to add shadow. Adjust it to your liking. And you're done.